Where did mommy go? She went to the bathroom. I'm hungry.
Since today I never sell anything. When this suffering go end? I need to buy my mama medicine. God help me.
Buy your sweet corn, oberego. My corn is affordable. Come and patronize me, oh.
Grok AI just became free again, and I had to test it. The videos you just watched was created for free, no hidden charges needed. In this video, I'll show you exactly what Grok AI can do now, how I used it step by step, and whether it's actually worth your time as a creator.
I'm super excited to share this update that Grok is back. You can now generate your videos for free using Grok. Alright, so what you have to do is to go to your Play Store. Okay, just go to your Play Store and type this. Alright, when you go to your Play Store, just type GenV, okay, and search it. GenV AI video generator. Alright, so as you can see, it is displayed on my screen. So just download it. So after downloading it, you're going to click on open. Alright, it brought me to this interface. Okay, so yeah, yours might not bring you to this interface because there's some procedures which are used. There's something that is going to be displayed, like they'll be asking you if you are giving a consent that for they to access your personal information or thereabout. Okay, so for cookies or thereabout. So I myself didn't allow that. Alright, I myself declined that. So if you want to use that, you can go ahead with it, decline it. Okay, in case yours is not displaying this right now, there are step by step on how to do that. Just decline the consent. If you want to accept it, just click on accept consent, and it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, when you click on the SAI Grok, it's going to bring you to this interface, 6 seconds, which is the duration, and you choose your aspect ratio and your resolution. Now remember that this is the free model. This is free, so most of the features you might not likely use it. Just like the 10 seconds, you might not likely use it. You can also, or you can use it when you have subscribed, but for now they give you access to generate using 6 seconds. And the aspect ratio, this is where you change your aspect ratio, whether it's 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1. So you can choose the one that resonates with you. So you're going to leave it at 480p. All right, because this 720p requires payment, so just leave it the way it is. All right, now this is where you described the content you want to create. Okay, you can either use text to video or you can use image to video. That is an image reference. So what I'm going to do is to click here. I'm going to click here. Then this is where I'm going to choose, and I'll upload my image. I'll click here and click on browse. Then I'm going to go to my download, and I'm going to go to my download and choose the image that resonates with. Okay, right now they say start your free trial, get your free 24-hour trial with no commitment. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to click on continue this app. Okay, as you can see, the image has been uploaded. You can as well upload other images. As you can see, these are the images that you can upload. Let's say if there are 3, you want 3 characters to converse. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just to type what my character will say. That's the dialogue of the characters. What I'm going to do now is the dialogue which I use. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is to click on create. All right, so we are going to display something like this: AI provider data concepts. So you can just read it up and click on agree so that your video will be generated. Okay, so it will be displayed like this. Just hold on. All right, in case you encounter something like ads, just hold on until it's done. They are done with their adverts. Okay, and start generating. As you can see, the video is generating, so you have to hold on until it's done generating. Okay, so let's wait and see the result. Now the video is 100% generated, so let's hold on and see the result.
Life is indeed unpredictable. In all you do, please be humble.
Wow,
No
this
one
is
knows tomorrow.
outstanding. I really love the outcome. Now, after generating your video, what you have to do is to click here and download. So just click here and download. Now you have to click on watch ad. That is the price you pay. Once you click on it, once your video is ready and you click on download, there's a possibility that an ad will pop out. So once the ad pops out, kindly watch it. Okay, it's just few seconds ads, so kindly watch it. Once you're done watching it, you go to your gallery, you will see your video. Okay, so let me go to my gallery and check out if the video is right there. So this is my gallery. So this
Life
is
is indeed unpredictable. In all you do, please be humble. No one knows tomorrow.
okay, so this is it, and in 6 seconds. No watermark, no watermark. This is the best aspect of it, no watermark. Okay, so I'm going to try out some other prompt and see the result. I'm going to try out test video and see the outcome. Then I'll try. And what I'm going to do now is to try test to video. So I'm going to type this is the test to video. Now I'm going to change the aspect ratio to 16:9. So if you want to generate yours and you want to change the aspect ratio, if you type your prompts, want to use test to video, make sure you change the aspect ratio to your preferred. Okay, so I'm going to click cancel here, and the next thing I'm going to do is to hit generate. So you have to wait. Now the video is generating, so wait until it's 100%. Now in case you start generating your video and an ad pops out, please don't cancel the ads. So that is the what you pay, so you don't need to cancel the ad. Make sure you don't cancel the ad. Leave the ad until it's done displaying. Once you're done displaying, just click on continue, and your video will start generating automatically. So now the video is ready. So this is the video. What I'm going to do next is to click here and download. So just click on watch ad. Now, in case you generated your video and you'll be wondering where can I find my video, let's say that you missed the ads or maybe you canceled the ads. Okay, just as I said, do not cancel the ads that is displaying on your phone. Okay, once you start generating your videos, ad will come out. Once you are done generating your video, when you want to download it, ad will come out again. So what you have to do is to wait until it's done. It's just 3 seconds ad. Then you click on download. All right, probably if you didn't successfully downloaded your video, what you have to do is to click at these 3 slashes. Just click on the 3 slashes. This is the 3 slashes I'm talking about. When you click on these 3 slashes, you're going to see home, template, and assets. Click on assets. Then you are going to wait until it's downloading. Then you're going to see the videos which you generated here. Okay, now the video will not be here for a long time. As you can see, data older than 7 days will be deleted. So once your video is older than 7 days, it will automatically be deleted. So once you generate your video, hold on and wait for the ad. Now this one, I did not successfully download it. So what I'm going to do is to click on it.
Buy your sweet corn, Obeyego. My corn is affordable. Come and patronize me, oh.
Okay, so what I'm going to do next is to click on download and click on watch ad. Yes. Now we are done with the ad is done displaying. So what I'm going to do is to click on cancel. All right, so when you go to your gallery, you're going to see your video here. Now what else I'm going to try is using this is actually test to video. What I want to test is 16:9 aspect ratio. I want to upload 16:9 aspect ratio image and I'll turn it to video. Before then, I want to upload up to 3 images. I want to upload up to 3 images and test and see if the 3 is going to converse. Okay, so let me try it. Now once you're done with this, what you have to do is to click here and move back and go back. Click here and go back again. Just click on the arrow and go back. Now these are the 3 reference option where you can upload your images. If your images is up to 3, let's say there are 3 characters and you want them to converse, what you have to do is to upload their images, upload them one after the other. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to upload this one. All right, I have tried using 9 by 16 aspect ratio and using a text to video. What I want to try now is I want to try another test to video before I try out 16 by 9 aspect ratio and reference image. So let me type my prompt. Now this is the prompt which I use. So I'm going to change this aspect ratio to 16 by 9 aspect ratio, and I'm going to hit generate. Once the ad that is displaying on your screen is finished, all you need to do is to click on cancel. Don't cancel it if your ad is not finished. If not, your video is not going to be generated. So you have to exercise a little bit patience. Like I said, this is the price they're going to pay. You have to watch the ads. Yes, you have to watch the ads. Apart from that, you're not going to pay for anything. There is no watermark. You can use it for free.
If you're serious about creating content with AI, not just testing tools, I've put together a full AI movie masterclass where I break this down properly from idea to finished video. Link is in the description. And if you want to stay updated with new tools like this, make sure you turn on my notification bell on.
You can use it to generate videos as you want, but you have to pay by watching the ads. So that is it. So let's wait and see the result. Now the video is 100%. So let's wait to see it being displayed. Alright, so what you have to do is to click here and rewatch it.
Since today I never sell anything. When this suffering go end, I need to buy my mama medicine. God help.
I'm going to click here and still watch another ad. Once you're done watching the ads, the video, as you can see, video saved to gallery. It will be automatically be saved to your gallery. So what I'm going to do next is to I'm going to click here. I'll click here and go back. Then I'm going to click on upload. Then I'll choose. I've uploaded 3 images and one upload. I've uploaded 3 images. So what I'm going to do is to describe what I want each of the toddler to say. So I'm going to type my prompt now. I take the same procedure and select watch ad. Now after selecting watch ad, the video will be generated. Okay, so the next thing to do is to download it. Click on download and watch your ad, and your video will automatically be.
Where did mommy go? She went to the bathroom. I'm hungry.
Grok AI being free again is interesting, but tools don't create results. How you use them does. Now you've seen what's possible. If this helped you, like, subscribe, share this video and turn on the notification bell so when I drop the next tutorial, you'll be the first to see it, and I'll see you in the next one.